Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Today we are starting comprehension exercises. In these exercises, a passage is given to you, and you have to answer the question after understanding that paragraph. To comprehend means to understand. So, in comprehension, you have to understand the passage, and following the grammatical rules, you have to answer the question within few words. We'll do the exercise 3 today. I'll read the passage for you and then answers. The Sultan sent agents to all parts of the East to buy rare manuscripts. Manuscripts हाथ के लिखे हुए, rare नायाब नुस्खे, and bring them back to Cordoba. His men were constantly searching the booksellers' shops at Cairo, Damascus, and Baghdad. These are the name of cities for the rare volumes for his library. When the book could not be bought at any price, he would have it copied, and sometimes, when he even heard of a book which was only in the author's brain, he would send him handsome presents and beg him to send the first copy to Cordoba. By such means, he gathered no fewer than 400,000 books, and this at a time when printing was unknown and every copy had to be painfully copied in the fine, clear hand of the professional copyist. I am reading this paragraph once for you, but for your comprehension, for your understanding, you have to read the paragraph twice. This is an important and very easy question. It is of 10 marks, so concentrate on it and follow the grammar. Follow the tense used in the question. Unnecessary answer मत करें, लंबे लंबे आंसर्स इसके मत कीजिएगा. Within the paragraph इसको आंसर करें और अपने solid marks 10 gain करें. Why did the Sultan send his agents to all parts of the East? आपका फर्स्ट लाइन में इसका आंसर है The Sultan sent agents to all parts of the East to buy rare manuscripts for him. Where and why did they search the bookseller's shop? थर्ड लाइन आपकी where and why did his men they searched the bookseller's shop at Cairo, Damascus, and Baghdad for the rare volumes for the Sultan's library. Question number 3. What would he do when any book could not be bought at any price? When a book could not be bought at any price, he would have it copied. Question number 4. What would he do when the author had not yet written the book? He would send the author lovely gifts requesting him to send the first copy of the book to the Cordoba. How many books had he gathered? He had gathered no fewer than 400,000 books. Why was it difficult to collect so many books in those days? It was difficult to collect so many books in those days because printing was unknown and every book had to be copied by hand. Next, come to exercise number 5. Early rising is a good habit as it gives us an early start for our day's work. We gain time while the late risers are asleep. The early risers have another advantage, that is, they enjoy good and sound health. Those who are out of bed early have plenty of time to do their work carefully, steadily, and completely. They do not have to put off anything to the next day. The early riser is always happy, fresh, and smart. He enjoys his work while those who get up late find their duty dull and dry and do it unwillingly. Early rising is therefore the key to success in life. Question number 1. What kind of habit is early rising? Early rising is a good habit as it gives us early start for our day's life. Why can an early riser do more work than the late riser? An early riser gain much time so he can do work more than the late riser. What kind of health do the early risers have? They enjoy good and sound health. Why does a late riser find his work dull and dry? A late riser gains a little time to do his work, so he loses interest and finds his work dull and dry. What is the key to success in life? Early rising is the key to success in life. स्टूडेंट्स, दो एक्सरसाइजेज आपको प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइजेज करवाई गई हैं ताकि आपको पता चले कि आपने इन सेंटेंसेस को किस तरह आंसर करना है. आप फोकस करें, रीड आउट करें, थॉरली पढ़ें, क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड करें, उसके बाद उसका आंसर. होपफुली अगली एक्सरसाइज करवाने तक आपको थोड़ा सा समझ आ चुका होगा.